Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete app data from iCloud on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write comments. So, let's get down to our topic. And first of all, open your phone settings on your iPhone. After that, go to the top of Apple ID. Then scroll down a little bit and click iCloud. Then also scroll down a little bit and select iCloud Backup. And this is where you will need to wait for a while everything loads. Once everything is loaded, you will need to go to your iPhone. Here also the download may take some time because all the data of all the apps may be downloading. It depends on how much memory you have. As I have almost 4 gigabytes downloaded, it's not much. I have everything downloading quickly. If you have a lot more memory taken up, then it will naturally take longer to load as well. So, after everything has loaded, you'll be able to see absolutely all the apps that you have on your iPhone. You'll also be able to see that not only the app data that's on your phone is copied here, but also the apps that have already been deleted from your iPhone. In my case, there is one such app. And in order to delete that data, you just have to turn off the app's function so that the backup is no longer backed up to iCloud. And you can do the same thing with any app that's on your list. This way, you will delete and pause the copying of data to your iCloud. Friends, this is the way you can easily delete app data from your iCloud on your iPhone. I hope this video has been useful for you. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put your likes, also write comments, and see you soon.